Sir, this is filed by me, sir.
जी
This is filed by the petitioner, sir.
अच्छा आप
Page 4 पे, sir. Your lordships will recall, and your ladyship, that an interesting argument was put forward by observations made by Justice Munib Akhtar regarding section 67, subsection 2 of the Election Act, that if a person is a member of a political party and nominated by it, then he cannot be given any election symbol but of that political party. This is exactly what the Election Commission ordered on 13 January 2024. This is the order. If I may read first paragraph. Page 4. Whereas numerous applications received from various persons that many interested candidates are intending to violate and deceive the Election Commission and in clear terms violate the affidavit already given with their nomination papers. फिर वो provisions reproduced हैं. अगर मैं next page पे आ जाऊं to save time. Page 5, whereas it is mandatory for every candidate to file an affidavit form F in order to verify on oath form A as well as verification in form A in regard to affiliation of any political party or otherwise, and many candidates who had filed their nomination paper with declaration under section 66 of the Election Act 2017 be members of a specific political party and intending to contest election on the symbol of that very political party of which that candidate was member, now without leaving his previous party become member of another political party, which is against the provisions of section 203(3) of Elections Act 2017 and such acts of such candidates the violation of affidavit filed along with the nomination papers, which strictly comes within the punitive clause of judgment of the August Supreme Court reported at so and so. Last paragraph, next page. Therefore, in exercise of powers confers upon the Commission under Section 4 of the Elections Act 2017.
क्या कह रहा है ये बताएं?
जी, मैं ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ दूं फिर मैं आर्गुमेंट पुट फॉरवर्ड.
जजमेंट क्या कह रहा है जो रिप्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं?
सर ये एफिडेविट के हवाले से है.
पढ़ दें.
जी, it is clarified that failure to file such affidavit before the returning officer would render the nomination papers incomplete and liable to rejection. If the affidavit or any part thereof is found false, then it shall have consequences as contemplated by the Constitution and the law. Since the affidavit is required to be filed in pursuance of the orders of this court, therefore, if any false statement is made thereon, it would also entail such penalty as if of filing a false affidavit before this court. Therefore, in exercise of powers conferred upon the Commission under Section 4 of the Elections Act 2017, the Commission hereby directs that no symbol of any other political party be allocated to such candidate who is a member of one political party and seeks allocation of symbol of a other political party. All applications rejected.
यानी इसमें तो जो मैं समझूं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इस बात को मान रहा है कि जिस शख्स ने डिक्लेरेशन दी एक मखसूस पार्टी का, वो अपनी डिक्लेरेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकता.
वो जब भी दूसरी पार्टी का सिंबल ले सकता है अगर उसने वो पार्टी छोड़ी है.
पहले डिक्लेरेशन के बाद जिस पार्टी से वो डिक्लेरेशन सबमिट करता है या एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट जिस पार्टी से, ही कैन नॉट रिजाइन फ्रॉम दैट.
और वो ये कह रहे हैं कि उनको आप कोई और सिंबल नहीं दे सकते. तो SIC regardless of whether it has asked for a symbol of tower could only be given that candidate because SIC's chairman had declared its affiliation with SIC could only be given the symbol of that political party in terms of the Elections Commission's order, which is in line with section 67(2), my lord. My lord, these are my submissions.
I am not following. What are you saying? What do you want to?
सर इससे कोई फर्क.
ये आपने पढ़ा क्यों, मुझे समझाएं ना.
मैं इसलिए पढ़ा क्योंकि इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि 12 जनवरी या 13 जनवरी को SIC के चेयरमैन ने कोई और सिंबल के लिए अप्लाई किया था या नहीं. He could only be given the symbol of his own political party in terms of section 67(2) and then the election passed an order saying that that is so.
अपनी इलेक्शन सिंबल से नहीं लड़े वो अपनी इलेक्शन पार्टी से।
सर क्योंकि दिया नहीं हमें, दिया नहीं,
उनका टिकट ही नहीं है ना, उन्होंने तो नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है।
सर दिया नहीं, हमें दिया नहीं।
नहीं व्हाट वी फाइल्ड द डिक्लेरेशन
पार्टी को तो दे सकते
नजरियाती।
आपकी अपनी पार्टी को तो दे सकते थे, आपने
नहीं दिया,
आपने तलब नहीं की, आप इंडिपेंडेंट थे।
सर नहीं दिया नहीं हमें, हमने मांगा था, दिया नहीं।
चलिए
वो सारा रिकॉर्ड से।
चले आगे बढ़े, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है
तो माय लॉर्ड,
आप अपने पार्टी के चेयरमैन थे, आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेट दी? एक मिनट,
जी
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट दी
जी,
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट किया आपने?
सर हमने
अपनी
पीटीआई का किया,
नहीं अपनी पार्टी का,
हमने पीटीआई का किया।
तो फिर
And in declaration you have said Nazariyati.
जी,
So it's a
हमने
conflict of two tickets. One is PTI, one is Nazariyati. And even if you were interested to contest the election, you could have mentioned your own certificate in the declaration
Sir,
rather than Nazariyati.
Sir, the point is, Section 67 sub.
No, forget about 67.
Sir, that is the mandate of the
First,
law.
your own declaration shows you Nazariyati. If you want to contest election on your own party, then you could have attached the certificate of your own party. Why you have mentioned
Sir,
Nazariyati?
हमें जमा नहीं करवाने
This is your
दिया
own mistake. The declaration was shown in by you.
Sir,
ये बताइए
जी,
एज आई अंडरस्टैंड इस कोर्ट की जजमेंट आने से पहले ये ही वाज नॉमिनेटेड बाय पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ,
Yes.
इज दैट करेक्ट?
yes,
इट वाज आफ्टर दैट
yes,
and as interpreted by the election commission. Now that is, I mean, I don't know what to call that. I mean, that was where that grave violation has taken place. So why don't you say it very clearly?
Sir, it is as
that
if
you were compelled to go this route.
sir, we were
forced.
to
And
take
the
these
election
contradictory
commission,
Whether anything was
election
brought
commission
by you on record.
and election commission as a constitutional body failed in its duty to conduct the election fairly and justly.
Sir, we were forced to take these
You were
contradictory.
forced to take, but anything was bring on record by you.
Sir, वो letter already-
Why they are forcing you? Why you are not contesting the election from your own party? Was
Sir,
there any case?
नहीं, पहले
आप
तो
ज़बानी कह रहे हैं कि we were forced
पहले
to do.
नहीं, देखिए,
You could have brought something
पहले तो
on record.
we were contesting jointly with PTI. We submitted a certificate, symbol नहीं मिला, उस वक्त डिसाइड किया इन दो सर्कमस्टेंसेस के
साहब आप
PTI
फैक्ट्स पे ही अटके हुए हैं।
चल,
आप बिल्कुल आप राइट ऑफ रिप्लाई तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हैं।
मैं सर मैंने सेक्शन 67 और वो ऑर्डर पढ़ दिया है। इट्स अप टू योर लॉर्डशिप।
15 मिनट कहते 45 मिनट हो गए।
माय लॉर्ड आई विल एंड, क्योंकि ये बड़ी इंटरेस्ट अच्छी बात की इरफान साहब ने मुफ्त वाली, तो सर इस पे मिर्जा गालिब
मैंने मुफ्त का लफ्ज
मिर्जा गालिब को छोड़िए, अब आप तशरीफ
सर
रखिए।
सिद्दीकी साहब, मैंने मुफ्त का लफ्ज
सर मिर्जा
इस्तेमाल
गालिब
नहीं
का
किया
शेर
है।
तो सुन
नहीं, वो बोनस का लफ्ज
कानूनी
इस्तेमाल
बात
किया
करें,
है।
बोनस का
आईनी
लफ्ज
बात
इस्तेमाल
करें।
किया है।
बोनस
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 का
कह रहे
लफ्ज
हैं इरफान
इस्तेमाल
साहब
किया
का कहना
है।
बोनस।
मुफ्त का लफ्ज इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है। बोनस में मुफ्त में फर्क है।
मुफ्त हाथ आए तो बुरा क्या है।